Hi everyone, this is Deepak. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial how to use the fish counting system if you are going to count by yourself. So it's quite easy. But today I'm going to talk on the step by step. So before I jump in how to directly use the system, I want to give you the little bit background. So if you can skip these things, if you don't like, if you just are going to use it, just go in this where I'm going to talk about. I'll put in the description below as well. However, this is most important things to know what it is, how we're going to implement this in our system, and each and everything. So I have to go through the each and every documentations which we have prepared here. So let's talk about the first Mainfishcount system. Okay, this is the documentation. So this is the main thing, Mainfishcounters, and this is the Humpty to Biomondids project. So it will talk about each and everything here. So okay, let's talk in the introduction of the fish counting. What is this? So before that, I want to talk about the aim of this documentation. The aim of this documentation is to keep the instruction and knowledge for each and everyone. Even though you don't have any prior programming language, like knowledge of. If you know or don't know, it doesn't matter. So this is for users to use how to use this program, for developer how to modify this program, and yeah. And to run the fish counting system, the most important thing is that you have to have these three important files. Sort.py you can download from the GitHub. The class text, just have this file and write down to this FIS, that's fish, in a small letter. That's all. Save it, done. And have the pre-trained or custom trained models. If you're using it's for the fish, we have already trained use that last.engine or last.pt or like your Biomondids.engine. How you have customized, you can use in your own way. There's no restriction. And yeah. And this program is actually developed on that way so you can integrate to multiple programs for better experience and results. I'll explain that one as well, because this is the more core counting language, like for example, not just language, it's like a program. It is the main program. Everything is done in order to count the fish. Only this Mainfishcount.py, this file is responsible to detect and count. That's all. So this is the most important thing, like how it counts. It was the video, recognize the fish safes, especially for variety of fish. You have to train if you want to use your own fish. Hauling the fish individually, it will track it and count when they cross the line, and record everything automatically to the Excel file, and it will work with any camera. It doesn't matter which camera it is, it works. So, and the theory, to understand the actual concept and theory behind this project, we need to understand the basic concept of the machine learning. Yeah, machine learning. If you don't want to know more about this, just you can skip it. But first of all, you need to gather data. Yes, you need to gather your data. So our dataset consists approximately 45,000 of the images containing 145,000 individual fish images inside those pictures. So lots of data annotated in this way. So then after we need to train data after getting the annotation. When you do annotate, then after you have to get your data from here, like I did here. Go in the data sets, select the format, which one you want to use here. Yeah, I'm using the like a yellow 11, yellow I like the silver blend, or whatever you want to use. For example, if you're going to use their overflow, their the models, then this is good for them. So if you are going to for the CSP tension flow object detection, use this one. retina, natal, multi-level classification. There are lots of options. And if you want to go for training education, then you need to upgrade, and it's quite expensive. It's your choice. And you can download like a HTTP file, or you can just customize, like for example, you go here, like then sorry, here that's so for example, I go into 11, so then it will give you okay. Yeah, so it's okay. Oh, oh no, I don't need this. Uh, then after you can set up your environment, like the go in the desktop and the fish detect. Then after put this command there, like type this. Then after type this. Then after type the main that command. So quite done. Okay. This is the working folder where we work, like in the fish desktop in the fish detect. So you have to have only the fish Mainfishcount this file, SOT this, the class is this. These three are important. Okay, so you don't need then here this models lasted engine or NX if you want to use lasted PT or like whatever which model you're using, you need to have this one. It is important. So that's all, and you don't need to have all the like this will be generated by itself while it counting. So it's so training the models. So we have trained in the YOLO. YOLO means the Ultralytics. They have the you only look once model. So and if we use all those models from YOLO PA to L2 and we this is a training script. This is like a shift this command, like copy and this copy and paste in your Python file, like name it as a main.py. Then and before that have this one and this confiz.ml file, and you need to hear like what is the see it's the end of the file data. Then before you train your model, you need to have the image and label folder as well. As I said earlier, you need to download from Overflow. Then this is your config.yml file, and now this main file, and just go in terminal, then type python the main.py. Then your computer starts to train it. And you need to choose the epochs. How will here 5000 initially uses 5 or 10. Then you'll see the results. Then after you can go. For this, it's better to have the good computer with a very good dedicated GPU. Yeah. Then after you'll get the results on these folders. Here, like for example, here. So these are the results. And you need to install the libraries as well. Because pip install Autolicus, this is the main thing you need to do before you're going to train. Then OpenSeek, Python, NumPy, OpenPyXL. This is for Excel, Filterfy, CBJON, Tensor Active. This is for CUDA. So here, then this is the right choice. Like for example, let's go in here, dig in here. I've seen here. Just copy paste. You need to choose which you want, what is your operating system, what packages you are using, this language you are working with, and which CUDA you have installed in the computer. Okay, if you don't know the which CUDA, then I prepare you to do it. That's like going this right. Oh, sorry, what is that? CND. Show NVDIA. This go in this. So if you go in G here, so here in this computer, like the NVIDIA 577, CUDA version 12.9. This is the latest version, driver version this one. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to the like latest one. And this is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. And this is the available. How much? Okay, 2342. So 2446, like 24 GB RAM. So only the 1% is being used now, and you see the which one. So technically, when you type this command, if you should like this, then consider that, oh, you have a dedicated GPU, so you okay, just need to how much RAM you have and which NVIDIA version you offer. So these are two other important. So according to that, you can choose. It's your own option. Like you can choose any. There's no restriction. So okay, let's go in here. Then after verify GPU, this is the command to verify if you want. Otherwise, don't touch, don't bother. So you get the models, or you'll get after training. So importing the equals library is like, okay, let's go in the program. This is the program. Okay, this is the program. So you need to look in here, and you need to look in here. Most important things. Otherwise, don't toss. I recommend not to toss at all. Like if you want to drop interval, drop. Like this will drop like every 6 frame. If you try just 6 instead of this float INF command here, and instead of 3000, this computer can actually handle up to 3000 frames. So I kept 3000, but yeah, if you don't have that much VRAM available in your computer, your CPU or GPU can first. So try to have less number, like 100, any less number, 300 maximum. Yeah, and how you want to update your Excel file, you're like counting things in every 10 minutes, like a 600 seconds or like that. You can display, you can customize this here, and this is the model file. So here you will have the same model in your same folder, so it doesn't matter. Just write down the name of your model, and this is the video file. For if you are using the footage, just write down the name of your footage inside of this too. Otherwise, just if you are using the camera, just like 0 or 1 or something, do not bother. Do not write like a comma. And this is for the fish. So I use the fish class. So if you have other, then you can just add on like a fish, like cat or whatever. Depends on you. And this is the per fine tuning. Try to tune first. So how you want to have these numbers fixed. So because this minimum hits gives you the 3, it means that it won't like the processed first 3 frames, then after only gives like it will start detect, and it will give tracking after 3rd frame. For example, that's having 3 is good for me because I'm using the like a very good FPS, like the camera is quite good. So if I miss, for example, if some fish changes the shape, they move to their flip or whatever, it's near to the counting line, then it won't detect or give an ID for the 3 consecutive frames. So they will already pass through the line. So if I count once, then it will not count twice. So it will prevent for double counting. So this is most important. So other, just write it. You don't need to toss this program if you don't want. And this is all the information how it did and each and everything we have now. Okay, now let's jump in my GitHub file. So this is the GitHub file. Just here, like go in here, just go in the fish detect. So this is the folders if you want to pull like a code. So yeah, this is going the coffee and clone. You can clone this all and download your own. So technically it includes everything, so you don't need to worry at all. It has model as well, so you can change the .engine file in your own, because each device, each computer have different CUDA, so you have to generate your .engine. It will take like a little while, but before that you need to install the CUDA, then after Tensor RT and PyTorch, and that will do every job. So don't worry at all. So we all just talk about these things. Now let's do it, like some counting. Okay, let's go. So for example, this is my file here. I go in the desktop. So I have in the fish counting folders. So what I do is that from I'm going to use this folder, this black folder. So I'm here already. I have, okay, let's do from initial, right? Show here the one, here 3, okay. Okay, let's go in the fish detect folder. This is like more good. So I have those one here already. So I don't have to like, what do I need is like sort file and the main fish count file. These are my models here. This is also models. And this is my class file. That's all I need right now. So I don't need other file at all right now. So I can delete this 3. So to make it clear. Now what I do is that I have gone in the fish counting here. And if you see here, I have already this one. So, but it's okay. It's okay. So what I do here is that I go here, open in the terminal, go in the bash, and what I do is that Python /m PENP my ENP. So, and you see this one came here. So here, lots of 2 parts. So what I can do is that source my NP script activate. If you're using oh, this is for Windows, but you have to use this git bash. Otherwise, if you're using the terminal, just you can do the my NV script activate. This is the ICTIPAT. Okay, this is the only you need to do. But yeah, I don't need that. So if you see here, if you see here, this is what you got here. This is the working environment here. So I just, if you want to deactivate this, deactivate this. The thing is that I have already everything installed in the another environment. So I go there and cd, I go back, cd fish counting. Oh, sorry. And so I'll do the same command here. Which one here?
Something went wrong. Please try again.
And go back again and cd face detect. So yes, now it's good. Like I'm here in this folder right now. So if you don't understand this one, don't bother. But if you understand, it's a good thing. So what I want to do is that after activating this one here, let's run the program. Let's run the Python main fish content file. Okay, this is the problem here. It didn't do any job here, so yeah, the problem is here. ELL.mp4 because I have only this video footage available here. So let's go again here, do this thing. Now, okay, let's start at counting. So if you see the program, it's quite easy. Just you need to go in that folder, activate first your virtual environment, then go in your like a working directory. Then after you can start typing the Python and the Mainfishcount apply, then it will start counting. Then it's quite easy that, for example, if you have to terminate, just go and click here and press the ESC. It will exit, it will terminate. So, but while you're terminating, it will save all your data as well. So like this example, like if you're using the live camera, then you start counting the fish, right? But you have to terminate at any point. There is no like exit. For example, if I click here, it will go right now, but it will still count. So here, but the most of the time it won't go. But this program is made in that way, but it will still count. But the best thing about it, if you don't want to look this IMS or total, then it's better for me to increase the FPS. So this the FPS for this, but is the it processed says in the 89.82 FPS. That's a frame per seconds. So my control to this to here. So this is here. Come on, this is like the 1 minute. It original footage was how much? This is the original footage, 45 seconds. So what was the? Let's see each and every details. It was 45 seconds, 120 FPS. So this is the frame width and height. So and here, what was the? So it is 1 minute, 90 FPS. So if you calculate the frame, it's the same. So it didn't lose any, but it processed. And this is the same thing, but the ROS would be like a 110, 49. So it include all the frames because of the footage. It include all the frame. If it was light, then it would just show the 90 frame because of the limitation of this computer. So your own device might have more limitation, but this computer will work up to 90 FPS easily in the live camera. So it's okay. So here in this program, so for example, if I use instead of this the 0, then here you might see me that I don't want to show myself. Let's see how it goes here. And this is, sorry, what happened? Here. Again, go into here. You see me. So this is for the light camera, okay? As you terminate for slowly. Again, let's do again. So when you use the light camera, because I often use the GUI, so don't worry about that one. But yeah, it's counting those one. They are not. This is because okay. So you here, click here, and press the SGI down. It will start like. So you know which they didn't count any fish. So that's good news. Okay. That's now this is the ferment system. SPI. Like now, the better for if you are going to count the fish, actually, I just want to terminate this one here. I have other 3 here. So that's 2 options. If you want to host or not. If you want to just use the GUI in your computer, so you can control. If you want to host, then the best thing is use the web host program. So I'll talk in the next video.